वाहेगुरु 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 वाहेगुरु.
Black, white, Chinese, you can join the Khalsa. And if you're Punjabi and you're thinking, "Main to bas khan paas peen waste aayi si paji, I'm not here to learn nothing." What are you doing? Mara says Gurudwara hoye soji paisi. If you go to Gurdwara, you got to learn something. If you didn't learn nothing in Gurdwara, you didn't go to a Gurdwara. America which can lag pe, in America ki can lag pe, dollar buffet chalo, dollar buffet. Kyun? Matha teke, dollar chada do, langar shak ke kar chal jao. This is what's happening to our Gurdwara. We're making it into dollar buffet. Sadi galti hai, because the vichar needs to happen with the sangat. We need to grab hold of people and say, "Oi, tu kinna sikhya? Becoming here for 10 years, what have you learned?" Say, "Nahi sikhya, fir tu ithe rehne de, langar pe jaake kuch sikh. Go and learn something." We got to make sure we feed people the gyan of Gurbani. Nahi to fir ki hovega? You will be bhukhe. Guru Sahib describes Waheguru. They say, "Har darshan ko mera man bhau tapte, jo trikha vant bin neer." They go, "I'm thirsty for God's darshan like a thirsty person wants water." When you're thirsty, you don't care about nothing else. People are talking to you like, "Listen to me, I can't talk to you right now, I've got to drink some pani." Har darshan ko mera man bahut tapta hai, jo trikha vant bin neer, mere man prem lago har teer. Look at this beautiful image of Guru Ramdas Ji. They say, "I've been struck by an arrow of love." Cupid. They say, "No, God is my husband and my Cupid fired an arrow, struck me with his arrow in my heart. Mere man prem lago har teer." They go, "Who knows my pain of this love? Who knows the pain?" He goes, "Hamari bedan har prabh jano, mere man antar ki peer." My inside pain, only God knows. So Satsang Ji, the Khalsa is that love for Guru Gobind Singh Ji, the love that said that "Joto prem khelan ka chao, sir tal tali, gali meri aao." If you want to play the game of love with Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj, in Slok Manate Vadik, they say clearly, if you want to play the game of love, how do you play it? With your head in the palm of your hands. A prem nahi hega, jera you matha tek ke fir sir wapas le lende ho. That is not prem. Prem oh hai, jera matha tek ke कहना ले लो. प्रेम वो है जो कहना कि जे सुख दे ता तुझे आराधी, दुख भी तुझे ते आई, जे भुख दे ता इत ही राजा दुख विच सुख बनाई. Even if you give me dukh, I would see a sukh. Sikhon da eh haal hai. Sikh says to Guru Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj, "Mera sir le lo, te pave dukh davo ya sukh davo, apne kol rakho." This is the ardas of the Sikhs. So Satsang Ji, this is the prem, the Khalsa prem which rajya hua hai. The Khalsa is the army of God. Khalsa Akal Purkh ki Fauj. What is it come here to do? And it's not come here to give everybody food only. There's two things that the Khalsa has come here to give you. The first one is deg. Deg meaning food. So badaiyan, jaake chako paranthe, have some chole bhature, no problem. That's deg. But there's one more thing. It's called teg. What is teg? Can you pata teg ki hai? Teg means a kirpan. A big kirpan. The Khalsa is here to give people not teg, but to give them protection. Because when we have a kirpan in our hand, we protect people. So the Guru is giving everybody food and freedom, basic human rights and basic human needs. Food and freedom for everybody. Deg teg jag mein do chale, rakh aap mai aur na dale. Guru Gobind said, "This is what I want to give everybody in the world, food and freedom." So if you believe that everybody in the world should have food and freedom, it's going to need an army. Aap nahi hona. Dekh lo, dunya is run by bad people. Maharaj says, "Raja sihi mukaddam kutte, jai jagain baithen sutte." The kings are like lions. The people, the ministers are like dogs. They go and wake up the poor people. Dekho India vich ki hoya. All over India, whenever there's bad stuff that happens to the poor people. Everybody knows in India there's no real law. They thought kol paise hai so kuch bhi kar sakte hai kyo. The power is in the hands of the 1%, not the 99%. But Guru Nanak Dev Ji says something very interesting. They say, "Nicha andar neech jaat, neechi hu at neech, Nanak tinke sang saad, vadya se kya rees." They go, "I'm with the lowest of the low." Sikhi is not made for the rich people. It's made for the poorest of the poor to stand up, look sharp, put a dastar, a crown on their head, call themselves Singh or Kaur, royal surnames, and say, I'm here to give everybody food and freedom. Chal raha hai. Look at this, how much food is being given out all over this Broadway. Come tomorrow, see if you can get a free meal here. Come tomorrow, every shop's going to charge you. But why today? Because it's the Khalsa way. Today is because of the Khalsa you get a free meal. So remember, this langar here, it didn't come for free. Guru Nanak Dev Ji paid for it. They took the money from their father, they spent that money then, 20 rupaye, and they got thappad for it. People don't realize, this langar you're having now for free, Guru Nanak Dev Ji paid the price. They took slaps on their face from their own father. They took that food, the money, instead of making a business and making profit out of it, they fed poor people, holy people. And their father was so unhappy with them, they gave them slaps. Maharaj took those slaps for us. Ki halle tak wo langar chalda hai. Today, the same langar is going from that time, 500 years ago, because Guru Nanak Dev Ji knew this is the true trade, Sacha Sauda. No one in their right mind gives away free food for every day, but we give it away every day in the Gurdwara. What does that make us? We truly believe in God's magnanimity. That Waheguru will give. Deta de, lende thak pai. You can go to Gurdwara, you can eat and eat and eat until you're full. Deta de, lende thak pai. Tusi thak jaoge kha ke, but langar nahi mukuga. They'll keep giving to you. Why is that? Because Akal Pur di kirpa ho rahi hai. When you give out your heart, God does grace. So Guru Sikhi is made for the poorest of the poor, so they can have a kirpan. They can say, I'm not your, I'm not I'm an independent Khalsa. I belong to Waheguru. And that's why we introduce ourselves in a very particular way. How do we introduce ourselves? We don't say, Sat Sri Akal ji. Sat Sri Akal. Sat Sri Akal is not a Sikh greeting. Sat Sri Akal is a Sikh war cry. The Jangwas jande na? They go, Bole Sone Hal, Sat Sri Akal. That's a war cry. When you meet me, you don't have to say, shout, you're going to kill me and say, what? Sat Sri Akal. We don't need that. How do we introduce ourselves? We say, Waheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji ki Fateh. What does it mean? It means I am a Khalsa of Waheguru. Khalsa means the pure, the people that follow God. Khalsa means the people that follow, they're the king's own. The ones that belong to Guruji themselves. They don't belong to anybody else. Kisi hor de adeen nahi, sirf Guru. Khalsa, Waheguru Ji ka Khalsa. It's the introduction. I am the Khalsa of Waheguru. And then what is the next bit? Waheguru Ji ki Fateh. Who do we work for? Whose victory do we want? Waheguru's victory. Victory. Fateh means victory. Victory for Waheguru. What does Waheguru's victory look like? Everybody in the world has food and freedom.